Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel SAP Business One Simplified. In today's video, I will explain the process how to create query report in SAP Business One Query Manager. So stay tuned. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to get real-time notification for similar videos on SAP Business One. Go to Tools, Queries and Query Generator to open. In this query generator window, you can select the table name and press Tab key to get the field details of the table if you know the table name. If you do not know the table name, then you can hit Tab button and search for the table by entering the screen name. I am going to write a report query on purchase order, so I am looking for the OPOR table, which is known as Purchase Order Main Table. I will now link the POR1 table, which is the row detail table for the purchase order. You can see here, once I selected the POR1 table and hit the Tab button, it automatically inner joins with OPOR table since it belongs to same family, where the common primary key for both the table is doc entry. Now I wanted to join the GRPO table with purchase order so that I can get the material receipt details against the purchase order, so linking here PDN1 table. You can see here the PDN1 is not joins properly since PDN1 is not in the same family of purchase order tables. So we to have write the conditions manually here, where the most of the persons ignores it and PDN1 joins incorrectly in the query, which results into incorrect data output. We are going to link the PDN1 table with three conditions where the base entry is equal to doc entry of purchase order, base line number is equal to line number of the purchase order, and base type is equal to the object type of the purchase order, which will create a perfect joins in between the tables. Now I will join the OPDN table to get the header level data of GRPO. Since OPDN is in same family of PDN1, so it joins correctly by the primary key doc entry. Now I will select all my desired fields from both the tables to get as an output in the report. Now it is time to add some where condition to the report to get some filtered data inside the report. To arrange the data column and to provide actual name to it, we will copy the report query to SQL database screen and arrange. Change the inner join to left join between both the family to get precise data, as those PO will still load in the report where the GRPO is not created yet. We will rename all the field now one by one to generate exact output header name which is expected. Now we will copy the report to SAP and run inside the query generator. We are adding up some filters in the where condition to get filtered data always. Now I will create a separate repository in my Query Manager window and save the query inside the particular repository to get the report whenever is required. Hope you have learned how to write queries in SAP Business One Query Generator. Please let me know in the comments section what kind of video you want me to create next. If you want the query, please comment in the video. I will share the same with you. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get daily updates.